Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my next video on the chapter Ploughing the Road. In this video, I will cover all the question and answers and reference to context questions. I hope this video is helpful to you. Let us start with question and answers. Question 1. How was the young man different from the others? The answer is, while the others were following the king's orders of killing the old men of the land with the greatest strictness, the young man did not have the heart to kill his old father. He chose to save him. This made the young man different from the others. Question 2. What was the young man's plan to save his father? The answer is, to save his father, the young man hid him in the cellar under the house. There he fed him and looked after him. He would visit his father only at night. Question 3. What problem did the country face when summer came? The answer is, when the summer came, there was such a drought in the country that for months not a drop of rain fell. The crops were burnt off, the trees withered, and there was dearth and famine in the land. This was followed by a severe winter. Heavy snow fell and covered the fields. No food was left, not even seeds for sowing the field in springtime. People and cattle were dying of starvation. Question 4. What advice did the old father give the son? The old father asked his son to plough up the road in front of his house and the next road too. The advice proved to be helpful, as in the next few days all kinds of grain sprouted and grew from the ground which had been tilled. Question 5. What was the main idea behind the old man's advice? How did crops grow on the road? The answer is, the main idea behind the old man's advice was to utilize the seeds that fell to the ground from the passing carts. These seeds were trodden into the earth by the passers-by. The earth had become moist and soft through the melting snow in the winter. When the young man ploughed up the ground, the crops grew on the road. Let us quickly read the reference to context questions. First extract is, kill all the old men of the land. They have lived their lives. Question A is, who said these words to whom? The answer is, the young king said these words to his young advisors. Question B. Why did the speaker decide to kill the old men? The answer is, after a drought, there was not enough food left in the country to feed everyone. The young king decided that the old men of the country had lived their lives and were of no use anymore. So he decided to kill them all. Question C. Do you think the speaker was making the right decision? No, the young king was not making the right decision. Question 2. The extract is, all the granaries are empty. There is no seed to sow. We shall all die of hunger. Question A is, who said these words to whom? Answer is, the young man said these words to his father. Question B. Why had the granaries become empty? The granaries had become empty because there was a famine in the country and there was no seed even to sow in the land. Question C. Did the person being spoken to have a solution? Yes, the old man had a solution. Extract 3. This doing is not your wisdom. No doubt your father has told you, whom you have kept alive. Speak the truth and I will spare your life. Question A. What had the young man done? The answer is, the young man had yielded a very good crop on the road. Question B. How did the king come to know what the young man had done? The answer is the king came to know from the young man's neighbors about what the young man had done. Question C. How did the king guess that the young man had kept his father alive? The answer is the king guessed that the young man had kept his father alive because only an old person could help the young people in that dire situation with his wisdom and experience. I hope you understood all the question and answers very well. In case you have any problem, you can always contact me or write your queries in the comment section. Do take good care of yourself and take care of your parents. Bye-bye.